The Australian share market looks set to fall sharply today after a surprise interest rate hike in China, the first in 3 years, which could threaten growth in the region, as well as news that the New York Federal Reserve and the world's largest bond fund manager, PIMCO, are suing Bank of America for $47 billion, sent Wall Street tumbling last night. An hour into trade, the ASX 200 index is 65 points, or almost 1.5% lower for the session, with particular weakness in the resource sector after a drop in metal prices overnight on the back of the Chinese interest rate hike. Meanwhile, in company news, shares in Australia's leading supermarket operator Woolworths are up 0.1% at $29 after the company reported a solid start to the 2011 financial year with a 4.2% lift in first quarter sales. Woolworths put the result down to winning customers after aggressive discounting measures. Meanwhile, in the media sector, we're seeing strong outperformance there after a mystery buyer bought 15% of the 10 network on the close of business yesterday. That transaction, worth $244 million, has spurred speculation there could be a takeover in the offing. 10 has said that it is not yet aware of the identity of the buyer, but early reports suggest it could be James Packer. 10 network shares have gained nearly 6% at $1.50 on the news. And finally, on the currency front, the Australian dollar has been a casualty of the overnight events and has fallen sharply to buy 96.71 US cents in morning trade. This is Toby Grimm for Young Stockbrokers.